Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write a story on the king and the foolish monkey. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. A king once presided over a kingdom. He had a pet monkey because he had a love for animals. Despite being a fool, this monkey received royal treatment. Additionally, he was permitted access to the king's private quarters, which were off limits to even the servants. The king was dozing off one day as the monkey kept an eye on him. A fly suddenly entered the space and settled on the king's chest. The fly was moved away by the monkey, but it could only stay off the king's chest for a short while before returning. The action of this insect greatly enraged and excited the monkey. The stupid monkey began pursuing the insect with a sharp object. As the fly sat on the king's chest again, the monkey hit the fly with all his strength. The fly flew away unharmed, but the king was severely wounded in the chest, and at last he cried, The moral of this story is: beware of a foolish friend. He can cause you more harm than your enemy.